In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make this football poster design by using Pixelab and Lightroom. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, we need to add our background. The background that I am using right now is given in zip file. Link is in the description. Now I'm going to add our player's jersey number with this text. The font that I'm using right now is Fargo. So I will add my subject, putting him behind the text layer. At this point, see carefully what I am doing right now. Basically, I just tried to create a 3D effect by adding this extra layer of text. Let me know in the comments, how do you prefer it? The background is looking totally simple. So what I'm going to now is adding a rectangular shape in the background with the color of just like his jersey. Our main work is done. Now I will add some details about our players and going to jump straight into Lightroom. So this was for today. See you on another video. Till then, be smart, be safe, be creative.